Hi. I like to get out here before it gets too crowded and get my licks in. But as you can tell from our parking area, I'm not the only one. It's full of new Cadillacs, isn't it? You can almost call them, and the owners they represent, the Cadillac generation. That runner, that young man's a Cadillac owner. This fellow is a sales executive. He's on the road a lot. He's a Cadillac owner, too. Marianne and Jim over there, Cadillac owners, they run that successful restaurant off the turnpike. That's Gretchen. She drives a Cadillac Eldorado convertible. Loves every minute of it. Nice lady. She sold me my home, too. The point I'm trying to make is that, sure, there are a lot of successful executives, financiers, captains of industry driving Cadillacs. After all, it's a mark of success. But there's a lot of other people, too. Young people, professional people, middle-aged, not so middle-aged. Tremendous variety. I'm not a salesman, but it's not hard to figure that these people are looking for quality, fine styling, proven reliability, innovative engineering, and outstanding tradition. As you can see, in 1984, Cadillac boasts the greatest variety of luxury models in the industry. 18 different models in all. So there's a tremendous flexibility and selection to offer interested Cadillac buyers, like our runner, Jim and Marianne, with thousands of others. Cimarron, DeVille, Fleetwood, Eldorado, and Seville are great names, but each and every one offering the benefits and pride of Cadillac ownership. They represent the ultimate in fine styling, lasting finish, beauty, comfort, and luxury. And each offers mute testimony to the Cadillac generation. Of course, best of all, they're Cadillacs. You're about to review important 1984 Cadillac product information. After this review, test your product knowledge by playing the Cadillac Championship Golf Challenge. When you think about luxury and performance, you have to think about Eldorado. And because Eldorado typifies Cadillac's excellent performance image, you should also be aware of how it's tested to the limits. This 1984 Eldorado Touring Coupe is undergoing performance extremes to test the power four-wheel disc brakes and retuned touring suspension. For 1984, this exclusive suspension system has been retuned with revised cradle mount pads, body mount cushion, and a new bumper energy absorber unit. These 1984 improvements further smooth the ride while reducing road noise. And the Touring Coupe's responsive HT4100 DFI V8 and 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive adds to the distinctive feel for the road. The standard electronic level control maintains the correct level of the vehicle without regard to rear axle loading, as in towing situations. It's all tested, checked, and tested again under the most vigorous conditions. This refining process helped develop a touring car of impressive handling and roadability, one that is quickly establishing a new Cadillac tradition. And this performance tradition, inherent in Cadillacs like the new Eldorado Touring Coupe, spills over to influence the rest of the 1984 Eldorado model line, Eldorado, Eldorado Biarritz, and the new Eldorado convertible. For many, these clean looks and driving efficiency offer all the car they want: quiet, tasteful, smooth, and luxurious. Clean, understated styling enhances the formal look of the Eldorado Touring Coupe. The standard aluminum alloy wheels can be added to other Eldorados as an option. Wide-ribbed rocker moldings and wheel opening moldings in the solid car color provide a subtle accent while serving to protect the Eldorado Touring Coupe's lustrous finish. Inside, you'll find low-gloss black door and instrument panel bezels and simulated teak wood grain accents. The center of the instrument panel is redesigned to accommodate the new 2000 series standard AM/FM stereo radio, or the optional cassette and 5-band graphic equalizer, Delco GM Bose premium sound system, or universal CB transceiver. Distinctive front bucket seats are finished in saddle leather and feature mechanical recliners as standard equipment. The Touring Coupe also features a distinctive front center console, an exclusive for this Eldorado model. It's hard to believe there could be a more luxurious Eldorado. But there is. This beautifully detailed Biarritz. Unique exterior accent molding and stripes, wire wheel covers, stainless steel roof cap, and of course, the Biarritz script identification. What can I say? Unique? Yes. If I were selling this great machine, this is where I might point out that equipped with the HT4100 DFI V8 power, or the optional 5.7-liter V8 diesel, the Eldorado Biarritz offers plenty of performance. And then I'd probably add that this year there's also a new suspension for diesel-equipped models. The front and rear shocks, body mounts, and torsion bars have been retuned to increase smoothness and iron out minor impacts for an improved ride. Inside, special interior saddle leather trim in the seating areas in a selection of 7 colors with the unique Biarritz design. A leather-trimmed steering wheel rim and a new sculptured design for the horn pad. And deluxe carpeting and floor mats. They all provide Biarritz with the ultimate Eldorado luxury and style. Just look at that cabriolet roofline. It's also available as a full cabriolet roof. Eldorado Biarritz is an outstanding Cadillac. It has a marvelous blending of performance and engineering with fine style.
Say, nice car.
You bet. And speaking of nice cars, I see you've acquired a beauty.
Sure. As long as I can remember, I wanted a Cadillac convertible.
And a Biarritz at that. Just about everything the coupe has, plus some handsome extras. Like that magnificent interior combination. Roomy. Enough for 5 passengers, I see. Are these power rear quarter windows?
They go down automatically when the top is lowered or raised. Here, let me show you. All I do is open the locks and a simple flick of the switch. And do you believe it?
That's got to be a real glass rear window.
That's right.
And that top has a full cloth headliner.
Right. And the top can be raised or lowered manually, too. This boot cover comes with its own storage bag, and it really is easy to snap down. And there's a special reinforced frame and body section, in addition to oversized steel-belted radial white walls and those good-looking wire wheel covers.
Beautiful, just beautiful. And if you think I'm talking about one or the other, well, I guess I'm talking about both. I don't think there's any doubt that the 1984 Eldorados are the best yet. They're designed to appeal to a broad representation of personal Cadillac buyers, enthusiasts, luxury lovers, those who want classic imagery. It's why Eldorado outsells any competitor in the personal luxury car class. Now that's the essence of Cadillac.